Welcome to Snaplify Origin. In this tutorial, booksellers will learn how to create product vouchers using Origin Basic. To create vouchers, you will need the finance user role within Origin. Start by navigating to origin.snaplify.com in your web browser and sign in using your Snaplify account. From the navigation menu on the left, click on Voucher. You may only create up to 25 vouchers per month with Origin Basic. Click the New Voucher button to begin creating a new voucher. Complete the form with the following details. Label. This is the name of your voucher. Code. A code is generated automatically, but you can customize it. Reference. Add a unique internal reference, such as an order or invoice number. Quantity. This is set to 1 by default in Origin Basic. This number represents how many users may redeem this voucher. Once you've completed all fields, click Save. The total price reflects the combined value of all products assigned to the voucher. This value is based on the standard pricing of those products. To add products to your voucher, scroll down and click Add Product. Search for a title using its name or part thereof, or the ISBN. When it appears in the results, click the plus sign to add the title. Confirm the selection by clicking Yes. To refine your product search, click on Advanced next to the search bar. This opens a set of filters you can use to narrow down the available titles. You can filter by title or author if you know the book, or content creator's name, category, grade, or subject curriculum to target specific types of content. Publisher, if you're looking for titles from a specific content partner. Curriculum, such as CAPS or Cambridge, to match the education system. Language, to find books in your preferred language. And finally, you can filter by whether the content is free or paid. Now repeat this process to add more titles. To return to the main voucher information screen, click on the breadcrumb or your voucher label name. To add multiple products at once, use the Import feature. Follow the example format to enter digital ISBNs. Each ISBN must be on its own line. Click Save. A confirmation screen will list all added products. Click Cancel to return to the main voucher screen or Import to add more. Only ISBNs that are in the Snaplify catalog will import successfully. You may still add and remove products from the voucher as needed before it is activated by using the Remove Product buttons. Once you are satisfied that you have the correct products on your voucher, activate the voucher. Click Activate, then confirm by clicking Yes. It's important to note that an activated voucher can be deactivated, but it cannot be reactivated. If you need it again, you'll have to create a new voucher. You are now ready to share the voucher code with your customer so they can redeem the voucher on the Snaplify website.